In our previous video, we discussed the three most common mount types: fixed, tilting, and full motion. If you haven't watched it yet, check out the link in the description below. In this video, we'll cover some of the more technical considerations you'll need to make when buying a mount for your TV. The most important thing to consider when choosing a mount is weight. For safety purposes, you'll need to make sure your TV weighs less than the weight capacity of the mount. Your TV's weight can usually be found on the box or in the manual. If not, simply Google the model number and look for the specs on the manufacturer's website. The physical size of your TV isn't quite as important, but for smaller TVs, there's a chance the mounting brackets might extend past the edge of your screen. To avoid this, just make sure your TV falls within the size range specified on the mount's box. Next, you'll need to figure out your TV's VISA size. If you're unfamiliar with VISA, it's a standard used by both TV and TV mount manufacturers to ensure their products are compatible with one another. It defines the distance in millimeters between the four mounting holes on the back of your TV. The position of these holes will need to line up with the mounting hardware, so just make sure to find a mount that is compatible with your TV. For a more detailed explanation, check out our VISA video in the description below. The final consideration involves the studs in your wall. If the mount you are considering installs into two studs and you aren't mounting to brick or concrete, you'll want to first check the distance between your studs. While most are 16 inches apart, some can reach 24 inches. Make sure that you choose a mount that accommodates the stud spacing in your wall. In some cases, your studs won't be perfectly centered to where you'd like to mount your TV. If that's the case, choose a mount with a large enough wall plate to offset where the mount sits. Some products like Kanto's PMX series even offer adjustable offset, allowing you to easily achieve a centered setup, regardless of stud location. Keeping these things in mind, you can now shop confidently, knowing that you'll find the right mount for the job. To learn more about mounting your TV, subscribe to Kanto's YouTube page and like this video. Thanks for watching.